Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lesson we'll be creating layers infographic. As you can see, we have some funny looking donut shapes bouncing up and down. So I'll show you how we can do them. So let's duplicate our last slide in our class project. So we can delete pretty much all of the content. Let's just leave one circle with some text boxes. Let me update the title of the slide, Layers Infographic. Now let's ungroup these guys so that we can resize the circle. We can turn on the grid so that we can better position everything. And once we're happy, let's select these guys and let's group them back into one group. Now let's make 3 more copies. And once we're done, let's just distribute them vertically so that they have equal spaces between them. That's beautiful. Alright, and now let me quickly change the fill colors and change the icons so that everything is beautiful. Alright, so now let me show you how we can create these kind of donut shapes. So let's just go to Insert, Shapes, and let's find this one called Circle Hollow. Hold down the Shift key to create a perfect shape. Let's enter 15 centimeters for the height and width. Can I use this yellow handle to adjust the width of this shape? Let's leave it like this. Let's give it a yellow fill color. Let's remove the outline. Now let's just go to 3D format options. And for the top bevel height, let's say at 40 points. And for the top bevel width, let's say at 5 points. Okay, now let's go to 3D rotation, and for the Y rotation, let's add 300 degrees. And here we have our beautiful donut shape. Okay, so now we can make 3 more copies, and each time let's send a copy to back so that this infographic looks correctly. And let's change the fill colors along the way as well. Alright, and once we're done, we can select all of these donut shapes and let's just distribute them vertically so that they have equal spaces between them. Okay, and I think in my original presentation, these donut shapes had a shadow. So let me save some time and hit Ctrl-Shift-C to copy the style and Ctrl-Shift-V to paste the style to our class project. Once again, let's set the fill colors. Alright, we are finished with the slide design and now we can continue with the animations. So currently, as we can see, these 2 titles are animated. So let me just grab this animation with the animation painter and paste it to these guys on the right side. Let's just make sure that the fly-in direction is from the right side. Alright. And as always, we can add some delays to some of these animations to make it more interesting. I'm using 0.2 second increments, so 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. Okay, and for the donut shape, we have to add a different kind of animation. We have to choose motion path, line. Let's zoom in a little bit. You should see a green bubble and a red bubble. So let's just select this red bubble and drag it upwards, just like that. So this is how far this hollow shape will bounce up and down. So let's make sure that this line motion path starts with previous. In the effect options, let's add a ½ second for smooth start and smooth end. Let's click auto reverse. And for the repeat, let's use until the end of slide. Right, so this is how the animations are looking currently. So let's actually reduce the duration of this bounce animation to 1 second. This way it will look better. Okay, and now we can use the animation painter to paste this same animation to the rest of the donut shapes. Okay, so let's fix the delays. As you can see now it's set to 0.6, so let's clear it to 0 seconds. So this bottom shape should come first, then this purple shape, then the orange, and then the yellow shape. Okay, so let's add the delays respectively. And this is how the final result looks like. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was all for this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it.